welcome to another video of coding challenges. In this video system, we're going to be dealing with getters and setters in Java. First thing first is we need to set up a new project, and in this project we're going to call it booking. And inside of booking we're going to have a source folder. Inside the source folder we're going to have three different directories. The directory is going to be called DAO, model, and servlets. But if you haven't hit the subscribe button, go ahead and hit that now, as well as leave a like on the video. But after that, we're going to go into the model directory and create a new class. The class is going to be called booking. So booking.java. Inside of booking.java, we're going to create basically our names, which we want to have as getters and setters. So we're going to create a screen called ISBN, and we're going to set it as private. And we're going to create two more screens. The next two screens are going to be title and author. And in order to create constructors, we're going to need to right click on and go down to source and over to create constructors using fields. Once we do that, the program will automatically generate their constructors out of the names we've chosen. So after that, we're going to need to go back to the right click on in a white space on the file and choose getters and setters, and we'll use the same field names to create the getters and setters, and this is how we can create getters and setters as well as constructors in Java.